Oh, hi there, you goody poo shoes. A friendly reminder that if you're heartbroken right now, I'm really sorry to hear that, but I can guarantee you that there's someone out there who will love you for simply existing, and that's the person. Welcome back to Microscope. My name's Mike. Wasted away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost thing of fish eggs or something like that. Thanks for that song there, Jimmy Buffet. It's a great one. Back again with another Daily Life episode today. A suggestion from Extra Hot Mocha. Wow, she asked to look at Caviar. She's fancy. Between you and me, and unsurprisingly, I don't like caviar. I followed the instructions on the box, and I feel like I was lied to. It's not my thing. Uncultured palate problems. And just so you little poopy pants know, you can comment and decide on what we look at next. Wow, that's more fun than tying your shoes. Traditionally, caviar comes from the Caspian Sea and a beluga sturgeon in there, and they're critically endangered. Thanks, caviar. I think this episode went swimmingly, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.